Hello fellow crochet artists and creators. I'm Tagreed, and welcome to the Crochet Creators page and channel. Today I'm excited to share a simple yet beautiful stitch pattern with you. It's perfect for making a shawl, a scarf, or even a cozy blanket. To get started, use a crochet hook that matches the weight of your yarn. Here is the pattern. Foundation chain. Start by chaining a multiple of 6. Once you reach your desired width, add 4 more chains to the total. Row 1. Skip the first chain from the hook. Work 1 single crochet SC into the second chain and into every chain across to the end of the row. Now, let's begin the second row. Start by working 1 double crochet stitch into the very first stitch. To do this, I work a single crochet ente, then go back into the second loop of that same stitch and work another single crochet on top. This creates my first double crochet. Work 1 double crochet into the second stitch, and then work another double crochet into the third stitch. Make 1 chain stitch. Skip the next stitch from the row below, move to the following stitch and work 1 single crochet. Make another chain stitch. Skip 1 stitch from below, and in the next stitch work 3 double crochet stitches. Repeat this pattern. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, followed by 3 double crochets. Follow this sequence all the way across until you reach the end of the row. Reach the very last stitch of the row. I am going to work an incomplete double crochet here so I can change the color, just like this. To start the third row with your new color, begin by making a turning chain. Turn your work and place 1 single crochet into each of the first 3 stitches. Next, you will work into the previous row where you left a space. Work a double crochet into that skipped chain space. Follow that with another double crochet into the next single crochet stitch, and then work 1 more double crochet into the following skipped chain space from the row before. After completing that sequence, work 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, and then work another single crochet into the following stitch. Now repeat the pattern by working 3 double crochets. 1 into the skipped chain space from the row before, 1 into the single crochet, and 1 into the next skipped chain space. Continue this pattern by working a single crochet, followed by a chain 1 while skipping a stitch, and then another single crochet. Keep repeating these steps until you reach the final 3 stitches of the row. To finish up the 3rd row, work 1 single crochet into each of the remaining 3 stitches until you reach the end of the row. To start the 4th row, turn your work and begin with a turning chain. Work a single crochet into the 1st stitch and another single crochet into the 2nd stitch. For the 3rd stitch, you're going to skip it and make a chain instead. Starting from the 4th stitch, work a double crochet. Then place a double crochet into the next stitch, followed by 1 more double crochet in the stitch after that. To continue the pattern, begin by making a chain, then work a single crochet into the chain space from the row before, followed by another chain. Skip the next single crochet and work a double crochet into each of the next 3 double crochet stitches. Repeat this sequence again. Make a chain, work a single crochet into the chain space from the previous row, and then chain 1 more. Move to the next set of 3 double crochets, and work a double crochet into each of those stitches. Continue repeating these steps until you reach the end of the row. Once you reach the last 3 stitches of the row, make a chain and skip the next stitch. Work a single crochet into the following stitch, and then work an unfinished single crochet into the very last stitch to allow for a color change. For row 5. To begin the 5th row, start by turning your work. Go ahead and place a double crochet directly into the very first stitch. Follow that by working a double crochet into the 2nd stitch. For the 3rd stitch, you'll work a double crochet into the chain space from the row before. Next, work a single crochet into the following stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, and then work another single crochet into the next one. Now let's work a series of 3 double crochets. First, place a double crochet into the chain space from the previous row. Second, work a double crochet into the single crochet stitch. And third, work another double crochet into the next chain space from the row before. To keep the pattern going, repeat the sequence. Work a single crochet, chain 1 while skipping a stitch, and then another single crochet. Finally, finish this section with 3 more double crochets in the same manner as before. The last 3 stitches of the row, you will work 3 double crochets. Place the first double crochet into the chain space from the previous row. Then, work the second double crochet directly into the next double crochet stitch. Finally, place the third and last double crochet into the final stitch to finish the row. Work a double crochet directly into the very first stitch. Follow this by placing another double crochet into the second stitch, and then work a third double crochet into the next stitch. Next, make a chain and work a single crochet into the chain space from the row before. After that, make another chain and skip the next single crochet. Work a double crochet into each of the next 3 double crochet stitches. Now continue the pattern by making a chain and working a single crochet into the next chain space. Follow this with another chain and repeat these steps until you reach the end of the row. finish this row, work a double crochet into each of the last 3 stitches. On the very last stitch, make sure to work an unfinished double crochet to smoothly transition to your new yarn color. Once you've joined the new color, you're ready to start the next section. From here on, the rest of your project will be a repeat of the previous rows, specifically rows 3, 4, 5, and 6. Simply keep repeating this 4-row sequence until your piece reaches your desired length.